numerology. Today you will be able to understand the Eastern numerology. Why we say? Because we're going to do with numbers. Okay, we're going to do with numbers. Okay. Now, what is the benefit of learning such a skill, and what is the purpose of unveiling our own date of birth? That's the most important thing. We do not believe our life, our destiny is predestined. That's the very important thing we have to know about this numerology study. Number one thing. Every time whenever you go to unveil your date of birth, or actually reveal the life history using the date of birth, remember that is to tell you in advance who you are, and identify your strength, identify your weaknesses. So this is that know thyself, control thyself. That's what the whole purpose of metaphysics or numerology is all about. Obviously, in the market there's a lot of numerology studies around. We combine a few knowledge into one. Number one, the knowledge currently revealed to you is actually purple star. Okay, it's the way to purple star. And then you have King, and then Shimen. All in all, there's three knowledges combined into one studies in this unveiling of so-called date of birth formulas. Why? Why do we want to use all the three knowledge to be combined into one? Because each of the school that is teaching this have its own strength. Like if you learn Google stuff, it will reveal your pre-existing life. Okay? In this Zhi, it will reveal your eventual nature in life. Okay? But when you combine these two together, that means that with your own character and handling, combined with pre-existing nature issue, both combined, then you get the overall picture with Shimen Dunjia. That's what it means in this. But before you start, you must also remember one thing. When you learn such a knowledge, what is that you should take note of is very important one, is that whenever you try to unveil for someone, right, you will come across three different groups of people. These three groups I must highlight it to you so that when you learn this knowledge, you try to unveil for people, you will get these three groups of people giving you feedbacks. So you must identify who they are and what you will encounter when you apply this on someone else instead of yourself. And when you come here, you could be one of the groups here. Whether you accept, whether you don't accept. Group number one, people who are very superstitious about it. Okay, we call them superstitious is because they think of it as they call it godly studies. Okay, from here they are able to actually change their life immediately or over time. So godly services like what? If I were to understand about my date of birth, then I will be able to apply the knowledge to achieve without giving any effort. That's the first group of people. Okay, when they apply this knowledge, they think that there is what they say that when you know about it, there will be opportunity for you to turn around your life 180 degrees and gain without achieving or giving up anything at all. So the very first thing, remember, you will encounter a lot of superstitious people who think that the knowledge is godly as this person. So you must understand, this group of people, they treat the knowledge as something so powerful as this. So we call them superstitious group. Group number two, they are people who use it to blame or use it to say that life is predestined. Whoever you are, you are. Then they always sing the song, whatever will be, will be. So this group of people are people who So they use the knowledge as a tool or as a venue to vent their dissatisfaction in life. So they apply it to actually vent that I'm born with it, so how? No choice, no way to turn it around. So that's a group, second group of people who are like that. The third group of people are people who use it to their benefit. They apply the knowledge to their fullest. And this third group of people only consists of 5% of the overall population. That is the most least group of people who fully know how to apply this past knowledge to their benefit. That's one thing he says that is the biggest setback in numerology. Why? Very minimum people know how to apply the knowledge to actually help themselves or overcome their burden. As I start off by telling you, numerology in Eastern study is actually know thyself, control thyself. It's actually to allow you to know who you are. And all numerology studies are actually what? Statistics. It's actually a statistic. And the formula that we will review to you today is fixed in all numerology studies. It's a fixed. In whatever school that it is, the formula will not change. Whoever have actually picked up numerology or advanced studies, this formula they know that is fixed. Okay? So if anyone were to tell you different from this, straight away you know the person will not understand numerology. Okay? Straight away you know that they don't understand the Eastern numerology. So the formula is fixed. And the best part of it is you go an extra mile. You go an extra mile. In these short 2 hours, we also allow you some secret that a lot of arts professional practitioners do not have the formula in view. Especially to Purple Star School. Even though you graduate from Purple Star, you still do not have this particular formula because they don't consist of such formula in Purple Star, but they have it in Zhiwei School. So you're going to go through it, and I will highlight to you how to fully utilize the formula to your benefits. Okay? Right? So as normal, all my class, I would like my trainee to raise their doubts and concern, and also ask Christian that you think would help yourself. Okay? Things that you think that you do not understand, please do ask now about puzzle or about numerology or about metaphysics. Please do clear off what is it up here, so that once it's clear, then you can load in new things. Okay? You can load in new things. Why I give this opportunity for you to clear this? Because I want you to put that aside and focus on today's studies. Do you have any question that you want to ask me? Any? Please don't feel shy. Vincent? Any? Are you nervous with master? Anyone of you here have actually gone through master study? Yes. So which school are you in?
No, learning from the book.
Learning from the book, yes. Zhi Ling. Okay. So